lot of the time storms in the late evenings, they can have bad winds, which can cause trees to fall and limbs to knock the line out. Wildlife.
Birds usually cause outages by landing on the power line itself. Squirrels are the same thing. They usually are moving on parts that are energized. They also eat the wire. They sharpen their teeth on the wire.
Snakes and transformers, underground transformers, that can be a common thing, especially down here in the cooler months. Snakes like to get in there and get warm. We put deterrent in the underground transformers, and as far as the overhead lines, we'll put squirrel guards and bird protectors. Whenever you have a tree branch just barely touching the line, it'll cause the breaker to operate, and the breaker is a protective device that's on the line. So if it's just barely touching it, it might not be enough to take it out completely. That might be why the lights are blinking here and there. If it takes the whole tree down, there's some cleanup that's got to be done there. First we got to see about the lines, make sure they're intact. We'll repair them. Sometimes we'll have to cut that tree out of the way and drag tree limbs so we can get to and from where we need to get. We got to pretty much rebuild it from scratch.
And it just usually takes more time, requires more equipment, more manpower.
In the middle of an active storm, when the lights go out, it's hard for us to be able to get out there and be safe. You never know what you're going to run into. There's a lot of unknowns out there.
You finding a broke pole that you didn't think you had will extend that outage to a lot longer than what is expected. So Canoochee maintains a 30-foot right-of-way. Right-of-way is that cleared path that we cut and spray to maintain from the trees getting on the line, to make sure the lights stay on, but when the lights do go out, we're ready 24/7.